discuss. So first question, f maps R to 0 to infinity defined as f of x equal to 2 power x, whether this is 1 function or not is the question. So how do you know it's 1 or not? So first 1 how do you check 1 different elements should have different images, no? Here if you take two different elements like how do you do this? Let x1 comma x2 belongs to R. How do you take such that f of x1 equal to f of x2, like this you have to take. F of x1 means what? F of x means 2 power x. F of x1 means 2 power x1 equal 2 power x2. That means obviously what you get, x1 equal to x2, when bases are equal, powers you also you can equate. So what you have taken, f of x1 equal to f of x2, then you got x1 equal to x2. What does it mean? If you take here not equal, this also not equal, this also not equal. Different elements have different images only, this means. Therefore, what is the conclusion? 1 1. This is 1 1. Yes. Onto or not, how do you check? Onto. How do you check onto? Codomain should be equal to range. What is codomain here? Codomain is 0 to infinity. This is what is codomain. What is the range? I already told you. Range, how do you find range? Now 2 power x. So here 2 power x, I already told you, if you take x negative, this graph also I told you, if you take x negative, so for example 0, if you put 0 it is 1, if you put 1 it is 2, like this it will go. If you put negative, if you put -1 it will be 1 by 2, then -1 by 2, like this. That means what? This is greater than 0. So greater than 0, so that means what? It will be 0 to infinity only. So range also 0 to infinity only. So that means onto this, one way you can say codomain is also this, range also this. Another way also I told you. What is the another way? Another way I told, let y equal to 2 power x. Okay, now what does it mean? So image of x is y. So f of x, I'm taking as f of x equal to y. F of x is what? 2 power x equal to y. Then x equal to what? Log y to the base 2. So then what does it mean? So here domain is R, range is 0 to infinity. So y, if you take it's a pre-image, x should be log y to the base 2 should be in the domain. So whatever y you take, 0 to infinity, it's a pre-image exists. So therefore pre-image exists. When it doesn't exist, when y is negative, then log y base 2 doesn't define, is not defined. Otherwise it is defined, therefore it exists. So therefore therefore yes, therefore here, therefore this is onto also. Why it's onto? I told no, why it's onto. If you take here y 2 power x equal to, if you take y, no, x equal to log y to the base 2. Okay, x equal to log y to the base 2. If you take here y, log y to the base 2. Okay, its image is y. So pre-image exists. Pre-image exists. For every element, pre-image exists. What is that pre-image? Log y to the base 2. Log y to the base 2 is a pre-image. Or codomain equal range you will get. That also you can say. Or for every element there is a pre-image, you can say. Therefore it's both 1 1 and onto. How do we prove? Like this we prove. So let y equal to 2 power x, then x equal to, therefore what we can say, for every y belongs to 0 to infinity, what you should write? There exist what? Pre-image. What is a pre-image? Pre-image, there exists pre-image. What is that pre-image? Pre-image is x equal to log y to the base 2. Okay, 0 to infinity, whatever you take, log y to the base 2 is what? Y. If you take 1, 0, like that you will get. So therefore it's onto. It's onto. If you want, you can take screenshot here. Then next, f of x equal to log x. Log x is 1 1 and onto or not, we have to check. Okay, next question. F maps 0 to infinity to R. defined as log x. Whenever log x comes, f of x equal to here next log x. Okay, this f of x equal log x next. So whenever log x comes, now x should be positive. That is the reason they gave this 0 to infinity. They gave why x should be positive. If x is negative, logarithm is not defined. So then range Kodameni gave us all real numbers. Now we need to check 1 1. How do you check 1 1? Like I told now, let x1 comma x2 belongs to 0 to infinity. How? Such that f of x1 equal to f of x2. You have to take like this. That means log x1. F of x1 means what? Log x1 equal to log x2. This is possible. Log x1 equal to log x2 is possible only when x1 equal to x2. If x1 is not equal, x2 are not equal, this is also not equal. Then this is also not equal. So therefore, different elements will have different images only. No two elements will have same image. See, log x value as you take different, you will get log x different only. You will not get same like x square. Only for x square you will get same, or x power 4 you will get same, minus 1 plus 1 you will get same image. For this, different elements will have different images. Therefore, it is 1 1. Therefore, it is 1 1. It's 1 1. Next, we need to check onto. Onto. How do you check
Sir,
onto? Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
Yes.
once again explain, sir.
Okay, this is 1 1. F of x1 equal to f of x2 we got, x1 equal to x2 we got. Therefore, 1 1 and 2. So codomain is all real numbers. Range of log x is also all real numbers you get. Therefore, it's on to. Or if you find a pre-image, if you find a pre-image, that pre-image is e power y. For every element, there is a pre-image e power y that is there in 0 to infinity. This is on to. So 1 1 and on to. So now let's go to third question. Let's go to third question. What is that third question? Is g equal to 1 1, then 2 3 3 5 4 7. Okay, a function from a to b. Is g a function? A function from a to b? A function from a to b. This is the question. Okay, if so, if g of x is given by ax plus b, then find a comma b. This is a question. So I am now okay. First of all, is g defined from a to b is a function or not? So that depends on a and b. What is given a and b? You have to check here. What is given a and b here? A, this is b. What is given a and b? A is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 a. What is b? 1 3 5 7. Now here 1 1 2 3 3 5 4 7. 1 1 2 3 3 5 4 7. Therefore it is function, because every element has one image. One has one image, two has one image. So this is 1 1 function also, on to function also, bijection also this is. But what is okay, this is a function. Yes, it's function. So g of x equal to ax plus b. This is g function. G of x equal to x plus b. Then find a and b. So what is g of x? G of 1. What is g of 1? Is 1. Here given g of 1. G of 1 is 1. Already I told. Image of 1 is 1. Image of 2. G of 2 is what? G of 2 is 3. Next, g of 3 is 5. Next, g of 4 is 7. G of 1 means if you substitute g of x is ax plus b, g of 1 is a plus b. A plus b equal to 1. And g of 2 is what? 2a plus b equal to 3. Understand? G of 1 means in the place of x you have to put 1. If you put 1, g of 1 is a into 1 plus b is a plus b. G of 2 is what? In the place of x you have to put 2. So that is 2x plus b. 2a plus b. Okay, this is 3 is given. G of 2 is given 3. If you solve these two are not required. If you solve these two only, you will get a and b. What is that you get a and b? you subtract a plus b equal to 1, you subtract here. That equal to a equal to 2 you get. If a equal to 2, then automatically b equal to minus 1 you get. Okay, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1. Then g of x equal to ax plus b equal to what you get? 2x minus 1. So automatically g of 3, what you have to get? 6 minus 1, 5, you will get it. See, g of 3 is automatically get. So therefore a and b values is 2 and minus 1. This is how this question is given. So